Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and today we're going to be reacting to from George the Red Engine Halloween update because it's October. My Thomas design drawings. Let's see if it's good. Because yeah. Okay. My mate. Yeah, I know. Sleepless Thomas. What is Sailor Moon Thomas? Kind of look like Wonder Woman, but Thomas. Classic Thomas, okay. Ooh, I like this one. I love it. I love how the magnetic things, dots, or whatever it's called. BWBA Thomas. I like how the wheels moving. Man. Oh yeah, I remember this, like the runaway train. I remember that. That was okay. Ooh, okay. This one has to be my favorite because realistic. Wait. Okay, so this is like a different Thomas, but what is it? Drayton, Manor, Thomas, whatever. Pilot Thomas, okay. Okay, this one has to be my favorite too because look, it's the LSC Thomas and Timothy, like the days that when they were together as brothers. Ooh, Dragon Ball Z? Cuphead Thomas! Human-sized Thomas? Sonic 1 Promo Thomas. Okay, this one has to be dark. A little. Chef 17 Thomas. Okay. Ooh, Winter Holiday Thomas. I love that. Jesus Christ! Jeez! How did you even make that? How did you get those teeth and those eyes? Okay, this one has to be darkness. This is kind of really a jump scare. This actually looks like a jump scare. Overload. Okay. Thomas RWC. Ooh, RWS Thomas. Okay. Okay, this is like a video game. What's it called? TF2 Soak Thomas. Okay. WW2 Thomas. Japanese flag Thomas. Okay. Imagine if they have that as a flag in Japan. Oh yeah! I love those sunglasses. Rapper Thomas. And last but not least, oh yeah! Let's go! Super Saiyan Thomas. This has to be my favorite because it goes Super Saiyan like Sonic and Goku. Is that it? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, that was it? Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Let's check out these. Okay, this is flip a clip. Okay. Kitty. A kitty cat. Okay, hold on, I missed that. That's actually so fast. Hold on. Let me just... There. Cat. He's a kitty cat. Okay. Is he that's like a car. Oh, zombie or Frankenstein. Human-sized? Really? I don't know. I guess that's, no, maybe not. Yeah. Reboot. I think normal. Car. Holy baloney. Look at that. Oh, okay. That one from there, that one's bleeding. That's the solar fallout. And up there, the kitty cat. And over there, the zombie. And I think down here, that's the Friday Night Funkin'. Probably. Is that it? Or is there some more? I think there's more. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, nice flipper clip. Okay, it's kind of hard to say. Nice Jesus. Nice flipper clip animation. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell and subscribe to George the Red Engine too. And see you next time.